Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the new Microsoft Office app that's generally available for Android and iOS devices. So this enables a better experience to get work done on a mobile device by combining Word, Excel and PowerPoint into a single app. So let's take a look at how to download on an Android phone and take a look at some features. So if we click on the Play Store and then we type Microsoft Office in the search bar, if we download the Microsoft Office app and then click install. Okay, and then if we click the Office app on the device and we type our username and password, now this will download all the files from OneDrive, so then you can browse your files in OneDrive and then open up your documents. So we now got the ability to edit those documents. And then we can save that Word doc back to OneDrive again. We can also open up Excel files or PowerPoint. If we click the actions button, we've got various actions we can also do. So we can transfer files, share nearby, we can convert text to images, we can also sign PDFs or scan to PDF or either convert documents into PDF, which is quite handy. So if we choose document to PDF, we can choose our Word document, convert that now to a PDF. Now it's in PDF format. Then we can save back to OneDrive again as a PDF file. Okay, there's a PDF file now in OneDrive. So when we click to add a place, we can actually add other types of cloud storage like Dropbox, or we can, save to SharePoint, for example. So there's various options there as well. So it's free to subscribe to us on YouTube. So we're posting regular videos. So this helps you get notified whenever we post a new video on our channel. Click the little YouTube logo in the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll be taken to the channel to approve your subscription. Thanks for watching everyone. See you soon.